Hello homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling VNZ. And ito, for today's video, I'd like to share with you magkano ba ang ginastos namin sa current homeschool year, itong school year na to. So, almost finished na kami sa school year na to. Meron lang kaming a few lessons left pagdating sa language arts na tatapusin. And then yung other kid, may a few lessons pa sa math na tatapusin. But nasiguro nasa ano kami, nasa 95% done with the school year. So, I'd like to share with you yung expenses for both kids ng aming homeschool. Okay, so, i-clear ko lang, we are not enrolled sa DepEd. So, naka-ano po kami, naka-enroll kami sa US. So, there will be differences on the subjects and yung mga ginastos namin. Okay? And iisa-isa ko yung items para meron kayong idea kung saan napunta yung gastos na yun. Okay, so first is the tuition. We are under Better Together Homeschool International. So, since two kids, sibling, merong family rate siya. And for the two kids na, ang binayaran namin for the whole school year is 29,500. Okay, so both kids are in grade school. Okay, isang grade 2 at isang grade 4. For the curriculum, karamihan naman sa materials namin, meron na kami dito sa bahay. So, like Wikahon, meron na kami nun. Some books for Civica and books for Science, meron na rin kami. So, yung mga additional curriculum na kinuha ko for this school year ay nandito nakalist down. Alright, so, first, magkahiwalay siya. So, first is Math with Confidence. So, I bought this online sa Well-Trained Mind. I realized kasi na mas makakatipid ako kung bibiling ko na lang yung ebook as compared to ibibiling ko ng printed book sa Amazon. Okay, so these books, binili ko sila on sale online. Nag-abang talaga ako ng sale. So, converted into pesos na to, pero in dollars, it's around $13 yung sale price niya. So, we have one book for grade 2 na Math with Confidence. Hindi na ako bumili ng teacher's guide for grade 2. But for the teacher's guide ng grade 3 and grade 4, bumili ako. Okay. So, bakit may grade 3 at may grade 4? Kasi we started with Math with Confidence sa aking grade 4 student using the grade 3 textbook. Grade 3 workbook, yung B. So, dalawa kasi yung A and B. So, yung first half ng school year ang ginamit namin is for grade 3. And then currently we're using the second half ng school year. Nasa grade 4 level na siya. Ayan. So, bakit pa ako bumili ng isa, ng A? Kasi yung grade 2 student ko naman ay advanced pagdating sa math. So, that's the best thing about homeschool. You can adjust. So, meron kang isang student na medyo delayed and meron ka naman student medyo advanced. So, pwede ka maglaro pagdating sa materials mo. So, ito yung ginastos natin for the books. So, ayan. Medyo pricey ang Math with Confidence, pero maganda siya. I really like the spiral approach, saka yung duration, yung mga activities na meron para sa mga bata. So, these are all e-books and you have to print them. Okay? We also bought spelling workbooks sa Shopee. So, that's 220 pesos. Actually, you can buy sa Amazon din ng ano. And I know someone was able to get a free e-book of this. Yan. So, siguro kung magaling kayo maghanap. Pero, kung may mabibili naman kayo, just buy it na lang. And then, okay. So for language arts, the curriculum that we are currently using is The Good and the Beautiful. So, libre naman yun, yung curriculum na yun. But you have to print the materials. Okay? So, wala pa akong printer nung time na to, kaya nagpa-print ako and umabot ako ng 184 language arts ng grade 2 and language arts ng grade 4. Ayan. Another item we have here, random books or textbooks, additional materials that we need. Yan. So, that's just 900 pesos. These are just na lang ha, kasi I'm trying to remember yung some items. Yung iba nasa nasa, ano ka naman, nasa app, nasa online app, pero yung iba kasi nabili sa bookstore or sa sale, sa Facebook, ganyan. And then science, this is also online. So, from Teachers Pay Teachers, ano na to, halo-halo na to, binili ko. So, 500. And then for PE, we have Taekwondo. So, sa term 1, dalawang student yung nag-aaral. And then sa term 2, isang student na lang. Bakit mas mahal yung term 2 kaysa dun sa term 1? Kasi mas maikli ito yung lessons nila dito as compared dito sa term 2 and may uniform na kasi. Yeah. So, isang student na lang ako dito sa term 2. And then, field trip, in-include ko dito sa gastos yung pagkain, yung Grab, na sinama ko na dyan. Yung ibang field trips namin as a whole family, hindi ko na sinama dito kasi, naman yun more on gastos na lang talaga yun sa gasolina. Saka, as a whole family naman kami yan. Pero ito, when we went out, ako lang saka yung kids, yung dalawang kids, ayan yung gastos namin. We also attended a concert of an orchestra recently. So, tickets and food and pamasahe, ito na siya. Printer, ito, bumili kasi ako ng printer at the start of the school year. And then, kasi sira na yung printer ko. Sumili na ako ng bago. And then we have some papers, paper, etc. to kasi hindi lang bond paper to, kasama pati photo paper, yung mga binding materials kasi we created, gumawa ako ng mga notebooks nila. Ayan. So, estimation na lang to. Then, binders, pinag ko na lang siya as 400 kasi merong binders na nasira. So, bumuli ulit ako. And then, basket or buckets for organization lang siya. And then, trolley. Bumili akong bagong trolley para mas madali for me to pick everything that I need. Ayan. And then, here, mga drawing books, ball pen, clay, paint, brushes. Ayan. So, I peg it as 1,200. So, for this school year, for 2 kids who are homeschooling independently, ang nagastos namin so far is around 66,000. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi pa kasama dyan yung mga snacks, yung mga, mga biglang, hingi ng pagkain throughout the day kasi, alam niyo naman, when you are homeschooling, maraming, mas madalas marami yung kain ng mga bata. Gutom sila palagi. So, ayan. So, there you go. That's our expense for this school year for 2 kids who are independent homeschoolers. And ayan, so I hope you get an idea how much we are spending or we have spent. We're still spending kasi hindi pa tapos school year. Almost. We are spending for this school year. Ayan. So, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment box or you can send me an email. Thank you again for watching. Happy homeschooling. Bye-bye.